Hello and thank you for choosing the Inogen One G4. This short video will help you set up your new Inogen One G4. When setting it up for the first time, you will want to set the system up on a table, near an electrical outlet. If you have not yet unpacked your boxes, you may want to pause this video and do so now. Be careful not to throw anything away yet. Please read the enclosed Getting Started guide and user manual in their entirety before using the Inogen One G4. Now that you've unpacked all the contents from the box, you have everything you need to get set up. First, remove the Inogen One G4 from the carry bag. Now take one of the batteries and slide the battery into place at the bottom of the concentrator. Now, ensure that the particle filter is in place. Do not operate the Inogen One G4 without the particle filter in place. It is important that you clean the particle filter weekly to ensure the ease of airflow. Plug the power adapter into the bottom of the G4 concentrator. Plug the AC power plug into the nearest electrical outlet. Whenever your Inogen One G4 is plugged in and a battery is attached, you're recharging the battery. An empty single-cell battery may take up to 3 hours to charge. If you get in the car to run an errand, you can plug into the car's power by using the G4 DC power cable provided with your system, and then unplug from your car's power when you get to your destination and run on battery power alone again. If you'll be gone for the entire day or overnight, you'll want to bring extra batteries and your AC power supply. Now, you can connect the nasal cannula tubing into the metal nozzle on your Inogen One G4. Oxygen will only be delivered while you are breathing through the nasal cannula connected to the device. Turn on the Inogen One G4 by pressing and holding the on-off power button until you hear a beep and/or see the display screen turn on. Set the flow settings to the flow rate prescribed by your clinical professional. The flow setting can be changed by pressing the flow setting buttons that are marked with plus and minus symbols. Now position the nasal cannula on your face and breathe normally through your nose. Be sure to set the flow setting on your Inogen G4 as prescribed by your doctor. Every oxygen therapy product is different, so please give the Inogen One G4 some time for you to become accustomed to how it works, as the pulsing sensation may be a little different than what you're used to. Over 20 years, we have sold or rented more than 1 million units to people worldwide. Congratulations! You are set up to experience peace of mind to leave the home with an Inogen One portable oxygen concentrator.